Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and use rules in Zoho Books. Rules are an incredibly powerful feature that automate your transaction management by automatically categorizing and organizing your banking transactions based on criteria you define, saving you hours of manual work. Let's get started by heading over to the Zoho Books website. Open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/books, then log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all your accounting tools. Now look over to the left sidebar and click on the Banking tab. This is your central hub for managing all your connected bank accounts and their transactions. From here, you'll see a list of all your linked bank accounts displayed on the screen. Next, select the specific bank account for which you want to create rules. This is important because rules are account-specific, meaning each rule you create will apply only to the transactions from the bank account you've selected. Click on that account to open its transaction view. Once you're viewing your selected account, locate the settings icon within the banking section. This icon typically looks like a gear or cog and opens up additional configuration options for your banking features. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, click on Transaction Rules. This section is where you'll manage all the automation rules for your banking transactions. Here you can create new rules, edit existing ones, or delete rules you no longer need. To create a new rule, click the New Rule button, which is usually marked with a plus sign. This opens up the rule creation interface where you'll define exactly how you want your transactions to be handled automatically. First, enter a rule name that clearly describes what the rule does. Something descriptive like office supplies auto-categorize helps you identify the rule's purpose at a glance when you're managing multiple rules later. Now comes the crucial part, defining the criteria. Select conditions that will trigger this rule, such as description contains for matching specific vendor names, amount range for transactions within certain dollar amounts, or transaction type to distinguish between deposits and withdrawals. You can combine multiple conditions to make your rules more precise. Next, set the actions that should happen when a transaction matches your criteria. This might include automatically categorizing the transaction under a specific expense account, assigning it to a particular contact, or adding tags for easier tracking and reporting. Finally, click Save to activate your rule. From this point forward, any incoming transactions that match your criteria will be automatically processed according to the actions you've defined, streamlining your bookkeeping workflow significantly. And there you have it, you've successfully created an automation rule in Zoho Books that will handle your transactions intelligently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.